All right, lights, camera, and action. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have another blade feature for this episode here at Hagbayon Channel. By the way, I'm Jason, your host. I'm a college professor, entrepreneur, writer, rock guitarist, martial arts practitioner / enthusiast, blades architect, blades researcher, blades builder, and I'm also into the outdoors, and I'm also into prepping and survivalism as a useful hobby. Now let's go back to our blade feature. Now you can readily see that the blade is a Bikol blade. Now Bikol is in the Philippines, and the Philippines is in Southeast Asia, composed of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao as major islands, and Bikol is in southern Luzon. Now let's look into the blade. From the outside, you can see that the handle is a carved entity. In Bikol blade parlance, we call this as pinaniki. Also, this is actually made of carabao horn or water buffalo horn, carved as pinaniki. As we said, there are fittings. We have bronze fittings as eyes, and we have bronze tongue rivet, because the tongue goes through and through up to here, and it serves as a lock. Now the ferrule is made of bronze as well, same with the handguard, same with the scabbard locks. Now we call this bakurong, we call this tikala. Yeah, we call this gardasyon. Alright. Now the woodwork. Alright, you can see the typical motif carving on Bikol blades. Right, the rays of the sun. Okay, flower motif, another also rays of the sun. This might represent water, etc., etc. Also another rays of the sun, water and soil, etc. Water and land. The woodwork, or the wood, is made of maravical, which is a premium wood as per Bikol blade culture. On reverse, we'll see that the wood on the other side is made of bai. We use this as axe handle. Alright, it's a tough wood as well, and it looks beautiful. Now let's look at the insides of the blade, or the blade itself. Alright, here's the blade itself. There is a small engraving here, a labor. The blade length is actually 27 inches plus 6 inches handle. This is Bikol ginunting profile, Wastari type. Okay, Wastari is one of the Bikol ginunting profiles. Tempered and made of 5160 carbon steel. Here's the spine. This is for eskrima or kali, so we made this into a very light blade. So it's not heavy. It's really designed for Filipino martial arts. This is a traditional Bikol blade, Philippine blade, traditional. Alright, let's check for sharpness. Just a usual test. Let's use paper. So yeah, it's sharp enough. So yeah, there. There, Bikol ginunting, Wastari profile. Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thanks for watching.